To make our mustard sauce, you'll need the following ingredients. You'll need 8 ounces of heavy cream, brown mustard, half a shallot or a red onion, some butter, and it's also nice to add some thyme leaves as well. So to start, you'll take your shallot or your onion, whatever you're using, and mince it. And once you have the onion minced, you're going to start a saute pan on the stove with the butter. You're going to heat up a pan and add about a tablespoon of butter to that pan. Once the butter's melted, you're going to add your shallots or your onion to the butter and cook them until they're translucent. You want to make sure you season your onions. We're going to add our heavy cream to the pan and we're going to reduce it by a quarter. Our overall goal is to reduce it by half, as the heavy cream will thicken as it reduces. But once we get it to about a quarter, we're going to add in our mustard and we're going to whisk that in. Now, the amount of mustard you can use is up to you and how mustardy you want your sauce. So there is no right or wrong amount. And this goes with the time as well. Once you have your mustard in, you'll want to reduce it to about half. So at this point, your heavy cream is basically cooked down from 8 ounces to approximately 4 ounces. Then you'll add your thyme, and the amount of thyme you use is based on what you want your sauce to taste like. Once your sauce is nice and thick like this, you'll taste it and adjust the seasoning. Once the seasoning is adjusted, it's ready to go. If your sauce gets too thick, you can always add liquid back in to thin it out. All you're doing by reducing it is taking out the liquid. So if it gets too thick, you can just add some of that back. You'll always want to taste your sauce and make sure it's seasoned to the way you like it.